Karnataka Shikshana Ratna, Government of Karnataka, and Best Principal Award by BEO Office and Super Citizen by DNA newspaper. So, it will be my honor to invite guest of honor Ms. Kalpana Mohan to grace us with knowledgeable words. Welcome, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody. After I heard Sir speaking, I didn't know, I'm lost of words today because we are living in a country where people are asking questions, why space research? But here, he made one big statement. It is not only launching rockets, but it is making a difference in everyday life. The one particular thing which I like the most is that when we are not knowing things, we make comments. When we know something, we appreciate. What does the school do for that? The school is making that awareness to the people. I would like to first congratulate Silver Spring School Management Principal for having such a wonderful occasion and calling people like Mr. Iriana here. Because we are all in lack of knowledge of so many things and we are getting awareness today. Thank you for that first because it's very, very inspiring and definitely awakening for all of us. The second important thing, most of the thing what I wanted to share about the Sanskrit part of it, I being a very big fan of languages, particularly my own language, I speak Tamil and I'm very, very fond of it. And I have come into Bangalore for past 25 years. I love Kannada and I know how to read and write Kannada. And I have come because by default, I need to learn English. And of course, as he said, it's not national language on it. It's just a matter of interest. I learned Hindi. But Sanskrit was one of the things which we do every day because I read a lot of slokas, Sanskrit slokas. I love them. So the Sanskrit, when she started talking in it, I felt so very nice about it. That is, Sanskrit is not just Sanskrit, it's Sanskriti. Our country's culture, our country's top-notch thing. The greatest of all epics were written in Sanskrit first, then got translated. So we have given Sanskrit as the gift to the world. People today do a lot of research on it, and I am very, very happy to hear that language. It was so good. So when he was explaining, I was really feeling very thrilled. In fact, I wanted to do a little more than, so I don't want to do it now. And coming to my part, because I'm an educationist, I'm a teacher, I always lived to have bringing up important factors of India and Indianness to the world. Whenever I go to foreign countries, I've seen schools and colleges, the basic lack is that they don't have small values being taught in the school, but they are very strict about their nation. In US or UK, every single class, they keep their national flag. It will be there on the corners, it will be in the table of the teacher, it will be everywhere. That means today the children are made to see their flags, to keep on in knowing that I'm an American, I'm an British kind of thing. But for us, every day there is a debate whether we should have a Indian flag here or not. Even on an Independence Day, we all go for holidays. Even on Republic Day, we think that 3 days after, 3 days before we go somewhere. We don't take our children to the school or any other place where these national festivals are celebrated. When we were young, I'm talking about 1977, maybe some of you have not even born. We used to go to school and we celebrated in a very, very big way. Whatever the day it is, either it is Sunday or anything. So what we have created in our mind, India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. That's what was taught to us all the time. But today, where is that spirit gone? Is it because that we don't want to do it? Or is it because that we just say it's okay? That spirit is something which I would like to really bring in. Wherever I have worked, I try to do it. So this one part of it, where we have gone, where is our culture went, what is that we have done till today to revive it, is something I want every one of you to ponder. Of course, it is the responsibility of the school to educate children, but the responsibility of parents to support the children. Today, children are having so many issues. They stress. and the first standard child says, I'm stressed. The first standard child, and I didn't know the word of stress till my marriage. So it's like that. Stress is being a very common word. Why? We put pressure on them. We are saying that you should do like them, you should do like this. When the teacher says you should do, you should become first. There is no first and last. Every child has got a potential. Every child is a miracle. Every single child is a miracle. Enjoy and celebrate that miracle. That is what I would like to request all the parents to do. Really, really, I felt that our children are precious. Our country is more precious. It is incredible, India. So let us make it very, very nice, and we'll bring out entire world, show the world that Indians are the greatest people even today. We were greatest earlier. In between, we lost. It's because of certain amount of, influences. As a parent, it's your responsibility. As a teacher or as a thing, and the schools are responsible. As children, all children are responsible to respond to the school and the parents. Let's all work together, make an incredible India. Congratulations, school, for making it opportunity. And it's a wonderful setup. And I really thankful to you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a knowledgeable words which you have shared with us. Now, I would like to call Ms. Mekala Hirana to share few words on this occasion.
I really don't know what to speak. I'm tongue-tied. We had a senior citizen speaking. We had a very well experienced teacher speaking. I'm a youngster. And probably all I can say is agree to them, not to what they said. But I have a couple of 3 things that I have to say. First thing, I want to give a small piece of advice to the young parents of young boys. In these times, when we are reading very disastrous things on page 3 and seeing horrible things on the news and media, it's high time that parents wake up and grow up their children with values, ethics, morals, and virtues. As parents of young boys, it's your duty to grow up your children as gentlemen. That is what India needs right now. India does not need ruthless people who will join the army or who will fight ruthless wars. We don't need such courageous men. India does not need a great group of scientists or lawyers or doctors. What India first needs right now is kind-hearted gentlemen. But that should not end there. The duty of a girl's parents would be to ensure that she grows up strong, confident, and courageous. In the next 1 decade, I want to see our India progressing with girls wearing a white coat of a doctor, wearing the khaki uniform of a police, wearing the lab coat of a scientist, wearing the military uniform of the Indian Army and Navy and Defense. And I also want to see our young girls growing up to take sports as their main career option. We need to promote this kind of thinking in our parents and our young little girls. The guests here spoke about how leadership matters. At that time, I remembered Bhagavad Gita, the Karma Yoga, the 3rd chapter, where Sri Krishna tells, Yad yad acharati shreshtaha tat tadyeva itaro janaha sayat pramanam kurute lokas tad anuvartate. Whatever the great people will do, the same thing others will follow. Whatever promises you make, the whole world is going to pursue that promise. As parents of the 21st century, an economist, a thinker, and a free spirited person, Yuval Harari, writes in his latest book, the 2019 bestseller that I read at the Delhi airport. He writes in one paragraph, data is available. Data is available freely to people. It's just that we need to teach our children how to make use of this data and utilize this data. Like Sir already said, anything we want to learn, anything we need to know, we go to Uncle Google. And that's what the Android new phone has done, Pixel phone. Hey Google, okay Google, that's all we need to say, and it gives us information. It's up to us. It's up to us to ensure how we are going to utilize this information to potentially become better. In 1933, Swami Vivekananda in Chicago started off by saying, "My dear brothers and sisters." For about 2 minutes, there was continuous applause. It's not because nobody had ever said that. Of course, Americans had also said that. It's because of an Indian coming to a foreign land and calling them his own people. That shows the greatness of kindness, compassion, and openness of India. We, as Indians, should take pride in being an Indian. That's the first step in building a secular country. And we, as Indians, should remember that throughout the world we have made progress. But that doesn't mean we leave our country and go to another motherland. Sir already said, Janani Janmabhumishcha Swargadapi Gariyasi. When you grow up your young wards, you should remember that they should bring pride to India, not just to your family, but they should be bringing pride to India. And you should be able to proudly say, yes, she is my daughter. Yes, he is my son, and it is me who grew him up this way. If these small little things can be accounted in your wide spectrum of parenthood, the whole climate of success can be revolutionized in India. So with these small little things that a youngster can give to you, I close my talk by congratulating the school management once again for an excellent thing. I was just telling Sir, I think it's going to be full and standing, and I'm so happy to see all of them standing already. It's a full house. It's a full house, full ticket. Good show. So I wish all the young students here a great celebration, great show. And parents, sit back, relax, enjoy your kid, enjoy the show, spot them, say hi to them from there. That really lightens up their heart. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for such encouraging words. Now, I request Dr. Lakshmi Devi, ma'am, principal of Dhanavantri Nursing College, to share a few words on this graceful occasion.
Take up one idea, make that one idea your life, think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, and every part of your body be full of that idea. Just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. A very good evening to one and all present here. Give me immense pleasure to be a part of the annual day function of Silver Spring International School. Education is not just the amount of information that is put into your child's brain undigested, unrelated, and unassimilated. The concept of education is that it should help in the formation of character, expansion of intellect, and development of positive view of life. An ideal school should be a mirror of the child's personality, wherein education should constitute the inner beauty. I want to acknowledge the four people who are the pillars of any school by inspiring the quotes of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Swami Vivekananda. For the principle first, all birds find shelter during the rain. except one bird, that is eagle. So problems are common, but attitude are the difference one. So make that difference in your school so that school will be in the sky. For the parents, allow your child to be free. Go as far as their thoughts to lead and carry that throughout their life. That is, you give them freedom, supervise them, and lead their life. For the teachers, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything for the children's. And at last, for the students, you have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you. There is no other teacher than your own soul. With this, I complete my speech. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to express my thoughts. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The more you take responsible of your past and present, the more you are able to create the future you seek. It's my turn to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to our beloved principal, ma'am, Mrs. Geeta Giri, pillar of the institution, instructional leadership, school climate, professionalism, and cares about students and staff, and great communicator of the management. So I would like to call our respected principal, ma'am, to give the annual report.
Reach high, for the stars lie in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads to a goal. We delight in the beauty of butterfly, but rarely admit the changes that it has gone through to achieve that beauty. It is the changes that we all go through our lives and constantly improve us. And with Maya Angelou's words portraying this very aptly, I would like to wish you all a very pleasant evening. Dear audience, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome our most respected and adorable Dr. Neelam Ahmed ma'am, founder of Silver Spring International School, whom we look upon as a visionary, an inspiration, a guide, and a mentor who has been always shaping us for the excellence. Greetings to you, ma'am, in your absentia. Mr. Arif Ahmed, Chairman, MAJ Foundation, without whom we cannot imagine the existence of excellence. It is he who closely renders his support for all school ventures. Greetings to you, sir, in your presence. On behalf of management, staff, and students of Silver Spring International School, Chikbanwara, I cordially welcome our chief guest for the day, Shri S. Hiriyana, sir, who is an eminent scientist, and guest of honor, Ms. Kalpana Mohan, madam, who is an education consultant and a trainer. I welcome you, ma'am. I also welcome the invited dignitaries on the dais. Dear parents and lovely students, your presence gives me immense joy and happiness this evening. In Silver Spring International School, we believe that every individual has a lot of potential, and that potential can help accomplish wonders. That is why it is fair to say that we believe that the future starts here. The session of 2019-20 was a great year. I consider it a moment of pride to showcase to you all the achievements and the developments that the school staff and the students have undertook. Two of our teachers, Ms. Surekha Hegde, Coordinator for Higher Primary, and Mrs. Savita Gopi, Coordinator Primary, have been awarded as Global Teachers for their innovative teaching techniques by AKS Private Limited, Delhi. Three of our teachers, Ms. Pratibha, HOD English, Mrs. Amina Sara, the science teacher, and Mrs. Savita Gopi were recognized as best teachers in the district by Science Olympiad Foundation. Vision determines directions and efforts, prioritizing the deployment of the resources at their disposal. Our vision is to make our school one of the best schools in our country by providing 360 degrees education to our students through best-in-class academic facilities, and to churn out the citizens who are inspiring leaders with a human touch. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of a good institution, And the class 10 results of the school prove it without an iota of doubt that our students have made us proud. The key highlights of the classes are 100% pass result, 30% students scored more than 70 and 80. Number of students in A1 and A2 grades have been increased all across the subjects. Dear all, we believe that the teachers are also learners. Staying updated is the key to success in every field, especially in education. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending the workshops and various training programs organized by CBSE, as well as private agencies like CEP Global to enhance their skills. A few of them are like Valley Education, competency building in science, experiential learning, health and physical education, artificial intelligence, competency building in social sciences, Happy Classroom, English language improvement program for the primary teachers, art integration workshops, music teachers meet by Times and I, multiple intelligence development workshop, phonics training, 15 activities and 7 forms of help for writing, high order thinking development skills among students, 5 forms of help for learning spellings in all children. Competitive exams are only way to give the students an exposure. Our students strive to obtain various achievements at different levels, starting from school and spanning many steps. Our school has also been involved in the social welfare programs in association with Habitat for Humanity India. Anish Anil of class 6 was awarded as the highest donor for a noble cause. I congratulate the kid and the parents. In National Leadership Talent Search Examination, 14 students participated, of which 7 qualified for the scholars level. Of those 7, 2 students, Alok Singh and Kumar Guru of 3rd standard received gold medals, and Shahzad Mohammad Zain of 1st standard qualified for the achievers level, which is to be conducted in the month of February. In national level competitive and scholarship examination 2018-19, Master Pranav CV from kindergarten and Miss Abigail from primary received the scholarship of 2,500 each. The same exam for the academic year 1920 has been recently conducted and the results are awaited. Various Olympiad exams have been conducted and the results are awaited. By providing the conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored to participate in a variety of intra and inter-school activities and competitions. It enables the students to grow in confidence, knowledge, and enhance their all-round development. Some of the co-curricular activities of the pre-primary are outlined as coloring competition, poetry recitation, fancy dress, handwriting competition, best out of waste, storytelling competition, solo dance, and drawing competitions. Moving on to the primary wing, handwriting competition, storytelling, poetry recitation, cooking without fire, essay writing, mono acting, drawing competition, and best out of waste were some highlights. Moving towards the activities of the secondary school, solo dance competition, slogan writing, singing competition, cooking without fire, debates, mehendi, rangoli, essay competitions, mono actings, face paintings, and handwriting competition were the highlights. Apart from this, our students also participate in various CBSE online competitions and expression series. Dear audience, to ensure that our children are equipped to face any challenge that they have to face in future, few student enrichment programs were conducted in the school, like self-awareness program for all the students from 6th to 10th. Time management and motivational talks were organized for these students. Importance of health and hygiene for the growing kids were conducted. Spreading awareness among the students about POXO through the Komal movie was a great initiative. Awaken Citizen program in association with Ramakrishna Mission has been taken up as a part of curriculum. 2 of our students from grade 8 and grade 9 participated in artificial intelligence workshop. The school's Super League Times NI was conducted in the school where 119 students participated and the results of the same are awaited. Recently, a seminar was conducted for the students on ill effects of tobacco in association with State Health Department. Our students also attended a seminar on the topic how to respect their body in their adolescent age. It was conducted by a team of doctors by Address Health, our health partner. As Martin Rees said, crucial to the science education is hands-on involvement and showing, not just telling, real experiments and field trips, and not just virtual reality. Students were taken to Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium and Vidhan Saudha as a part of experiential learning. A special thanks to Mr. Ravi for his kind support during the visit to Vidhan Saudha. Thank you, sir. Without your support, it would have not been so success. Our kindergarten calendar is full of celebrations. Some of them are different color days, which make the children understand the importance and significance of every color, different shape days, so that they could understand and realize the shapes. Festival celebration in the kindergarten is, of course, a wonderful experience. So the whole kindergarten was involved in celebrating all the festivals with great vigor. Among all these, various other important celebrations were done, like World Environment Day, Investiture Ceremony, Independence Day, International Yoga Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, School Annual Sports Day, Fit India Campaign, and Grandparents' Day. Besides all of these events, the most important were the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Qaumi Ekta, Rashtriya Ekta, Kannada Rajyotsava, One Student, One Plant initiative, and annual exhibition for the whole school. With gaining knowledge and conducting contests, many events are celebrated. These events are not only educational but also fun. Some of the initiatives taken in the academic year 1920 were experiential learning as an initiative for all the students as per CBSE norms, enhancing self-potential, memory enhancement workshop for the students, self-acceptance with the age, and a lot many more concepts. To improve upon and inspire an individual is great, but greater still is inspiring a group. With this in our mind, we organized the parent orientation program and various PTMs. Constant improvement is key to success. In this endeavor, we have conducted a few infrastructural and other developments. We introduced English Lab in the academic year 1920. We introduced Project CSEA, which is an age-appropriate life skill and value education program. We also implemented Address Health program where our students learn to take care of themselves and their bodies in the adolescence age. And we also introduced artificial intelligence as a vocational subject for class 9 and 10 by due permission of CBSE. School also underwent CBSE inspection for extension of affiliation in the month of August. Dear audience, much more is to unfold in the coming months. We, the members of Silver Spring International School, while basking in the glory of our success, do not sit on our achieved laurels, but tirelessly work to touch the zenith. At the same time, we wish to correct our shortcomings of the past and try to fare better in future. Today, we look forward with a sense of hope towards greater growth and progress tomorrow. It is only possible with your kind cooperation and support, dear parents. In the end, I would like to conclude with the lines, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have miles to go before I sleep. Thank you, Jai Hind. Have a pleasant evening, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Nobody is born a winner. To be a winner, one must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. So, here at Silver Spring International School, we not only value the academics, but also the creative tendencies and cultivate it into something great which stays with you for the lifetime. Now, it's time for the prize distribution ceremony for the Academic Achievers 2018-19. So, I would like to call upon Mr. Hiriana, Chief Guest, to give away the prizes for Academic Achievers 2018-19 Pre-Primary. I request the audience to give away the, I request audience to put your hands together. And Pranav CE from LKG. And Samhita HS LKG B section. Shahzad Mohammad Jain, UKG A section. Atif Ali, UKG B section. And Gauri Kumari, UKG C section. Thank you, sir. And now I request Kalpana Mohan ma'am to give away the prizes for the primary students. Kumar, he has scored 99.65% in first standard. Audience, please give them a great applause for them. Karthik GV, 97.5%. And second A, Chetan Hongal, 98.2%. And second B, it is Kumar Guru, 98.56%.
Check. Parents, please encourage the children. They need this.
And third A, Tulsi, 98.6%. Third B, Lakshmi Pallavi, 96.7%. And fourth A, Puvida, 97.5%. Audience, please encourage them by giving the claps to them. Next, Jay Kishan, fourth B, 91.26%. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Geeta Giri, to give away the prizes. Fifth standard, Bhavyata HK, 97%. Sixth standard, Amarnath, 92.5%. Seventh standard, Shriya S.N. Nair, 93.6%. Eighth standard, Tamkin, 94.6%. Ninth standard, Sarika Meena, 95.5%. Next, 10th standard, Ayushi Gupta, 86%. She was a topper of 2018-19 10th standard batch. Thank you, ma'am. Now, audience, it's a time for the all-rounder for pre-primary, primary, and the higher primary. So I request Dr. Lakshmi Devi ma'am to give away the prize for the kindergarten all-rounder. So the kindergarten all-rounder for 2018-19 is Mariam Fatima. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Baswaraju sir to give the all-rounder for primary Varshit Kumar. He's not there right now. So next for the higher primary, it's Sarika Meena, all-rounder of higher primary 2018 and 19. Thank you, sir. Science Olympiad Foundation has awarded District Best Principal of 2018-19. So I feel proud to announce that our beloved principal ma'am, Mrs. Geeta Giri, has been awarded for that. So I would like to request Mr. Arif Ahmed sir, chairman sir, to give away the trophy to Mrs. Geeta Giri, principal ma'am. Audience, give them a big round of applause. She deserves it.
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. 20.2 just to hurt you. All red lamb just to tease you. None of these toys on these two. Put your whole year in a week.
Next, district level Best Teacher Award was conducted in 2018-19 for the English. The Mrs. Pratibha has banked it for English department. I request her to give away the prize. And next for science, Mrs. Amina Sara.
Every day a nigga try to test me, yeah. Every day a nigga try to end me, yeah. Pull up in my roadster FBI. Pockets overweight and hefty, yeah. Coming for the king.
Next for maths, Mrs. Savita Gopi. Audience, please give them a big round of applause. Next, we are going with Global Teachers Award that was conducted on Jan 15, 2019 in New Delhi by AKS Education Award. I request our principal ma'am to accompany with the chairman. Among 72 countries, our school teachers was also awarded. It goes to Mrs. Sureka Hegde, coordinator of higher primary. And Mrs. Savita Gopi, coordinator of primary. Next, the National Leadership Talent Search Examination. Students IQ Jnana, students have banked gold medal conducted in our school. That was first goes to Alok Singh, 3rd standard B section. Next, Kumar Guru, 3rd standard B section. Rama. All-rounder academic topper Varshit Kumar is here. He's all-rounder in academics as well as in co-curricular activities. We are proud to announce there was a group activities done in our school. So, cultural trophy of the year 2019-20 goes to Sapphire Group. I request the house teachers to come along with their captains and vice captain to collect the trophy. Sapphire Group, please come on the stage with the teachers and the house captain and the vice captain.
Hey, Mr. Policeman, I don't want no trouble. I just wanna drive my jiggle down to the floor.
It's Savita ma'am, Tulsi, Aradhna ma'am, Rukmini ma'am, Jay Sheila and Bhavya.
My jiggle down to the floor. Hey, Mr.
Sports trophy for 2019 and 20 it goes to Topaz Group. I request to come along with the house captain and vice captain with the teachers. Audience, please give them a big round of applause. They banked the first in all the sports which was conducted in 2019-20 academic year. At last, the time has come for the rolling trophy. The rolling trophy goes to the Sapphire Group of 2019-20 academic year all-rounder. I request the housemaster and the vice captain to come along with their house teachers to the stage to collect the trophy from the chairman, sir, and from all the dignitaries. Give them a big round of applause, audience. Thank you, dignitaries. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, students. Arif Ahmed to felicitate Mr. S. Hiryana, scientist of ISRO, as a token of gratitude.
ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಆರಿಫ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಸ್ ಹಿರಿಯಣ್ಣ, ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ, ಇವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Thank you, sir. I request our chairman Arif Ahmed sir to felicitate Ms. Kalpana Mohan, education consultant, as a token of gratitude.
ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಗೌರವ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಮೋಹನ್, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರರು, ಇವರನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿಯೂ ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿಯೂ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರಾದ ಗಣ್ಯರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Request our dignitaries and the audience to please stand for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind.